Yo, what's poppin', everybody? It's your girl Ari coming right back at you with another video, so let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm looking a little crazy because I got like a cap on, I got my hair in some cornrows, I'm going a little gangster, but I still got makeup on so I'm not like too thug. So basically, I was contacted by a company named RIRIHAIR and they were like, you wanna try out our hair? And I was just like, I mean, yeah, why wouldn't I? Bam, this is the box that it came in. Such a cute box, but it didn't just come in a box, it came with stuff in the box. It has the most adorable marble themed thank you letter. Like, what? Guess what? If you make clear YouTube videos and take beautiful photos, you will receive $20 cash back of this order. So if you order from them, you'll get $20 back if you post just pictures or a YouTube video. You don't even have to have an official channel. So like, why not, right? It also comes with this cute gold brush caps. And it also comes with a comb, which I basically already lost because I just can't keep rat tail combs. Thumbs up this video if you, like me, just lose combs. So this is the wig here. It is straight. When I usually get wigs, I have to bleach it, which they have done. I have to tint it with powder, which they have done. And I have to pluck it, which they have done. So technically, from my calculations, I should have to do absolutely nothing to this wig for it to look good. So if I have to, after all of this, which they have already done, have to go and manipulate this lace on top of it, I'm not gonna be happy, but I'm gonna go in with a positive mindset. Oh yeah, and because it comes with an elastic band, it means that I'm not supposed to have to glue it down, you know what I'm saying? This is the coolest elastic band I've ever seen. It comes with like hooks. It's cute, like the idea is cute, but like it's really not like the most efficient. The thing comes out all the time. Like it just pops out, so it's not really the best. Anyway, let's do this. Wow, this comb is digging into my flesh. Ow. Bam. Alright, let's brush this out. And that's it. I've literally done nothing to the wig. So this is how it looks on without me doing anything. You guys can see based off of this hair that's sticking out in the front that I did try this wig on before. And to be very honest, I am shocked right now because the first time I put on this wig, I hated it. It was so flat. But what I did was I actually ended up wand curling it because I had to go on TV and I had to sing on TV and we had to do an interview. So it was so much fun. It was so cool on breakfast television. And I was in desperate need of a wig because my curly wig just got messed up, and you know those cameras like come like all up in your face, so I'm like, you guys are not gonna like expose my lace, like you're not doing that. So I had to use this, but I hated it because it was so flat. I'm gonna insert a picture of how it looked when I just got it, maybe like here, right here, and I ended up wand curling it, and I'll show you guys how the wand curl came out like here again. I don't know if I'm gonna have a clear photo or if it's gonna just be like kind of partial. So now I guess now that all the curls are out, it got more volume. It's still flatter than what I'm used to, but like this looks so much better. Cause guys, I literally just plopped this on my head. I didn't do anything. Look, I didn't do anything to it. I put no glue, no gel, no freeze spray, nothing. So I think this is a great wig for like if you're just trying to skirt, like you get up out of your bed, you late for work and you're like, where's my good wig? I need my good wig, and you just put it on. I think that's what this one is. Let's just talk about the quality a little bit. It feels amazing. It's so soft. It's so silky. It's kind of scary, but yeah, I think this is really cool. I'll come up in your face so you can see for yourself. I'm all up in your face. I'm holding down the edges, okay, because like I didn't glue it down or anything. So look, that's with me doing nothing. Oh, let me show you how long it is. Whoa, geez, it's longer than I expected. I wasn't expecting it to be that long. This is a video that involved basically doing nothing. I talked more than I did anything else. So that's how easy this wig is. So if you're looking for an easy wig to just plop on your head, girl, this is it. Go visit RIRIHAIR.com. Go get your $20. And for those of you guys who've been looking for motivation to start your YouTube channel, I know some of y'all want to start your YouTube channel. This is motivation. Go buy the hair, post a YouTube video. At least you know that on your first video you'll make 20 bucks, and that is 20 times more than what I ever made on my first video. So that's encouragement right there, right? So go and take this as an opportunity to start your YouTube channel, or to start your Instagram page, or to just get 20 bucks, because like, listen, times could get tough and 20 bucks could help you. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it was of some kind of aid to you. If not, I apologize, but I'm still thankful that you watched and that you made it to this far in the video, and that you are clearly going to give it a thumbs up, and you're clearly going to subscribe, because I got so much more content to give to you. Maybe I should show you guys how it looks in the back before I just end this video. Can you see? I can't tell if you can see or not. But yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and hit that notification bell so you know when I come up with a new video. Make sure you comment down below so I can know what videos you want to see. And until the next time, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.